This one company is going to decide the fate of the current stock market conditions. So let's jump right into this, guys. Welcome back, passive income investors. We should huddle up and be fearful of what comes this week. Not only is it still cold outside, which sucks, the fate of the stock markets are being held on this date. I'm predicting doomsday. Not really. I don't really care for doomsday, guys. I like paying attention to the economics that go on within the stock market to get a general feel for the overall market as a whole. It's a very challenging thing to achieve, and when if you could achieve that, you can make a lot of money, guys. But I like just generally getting a feel for where the future is headed and what people's general consensus is. And on Friday, a company is coming out with earnings that's going to tell us the literal market conditions between what is going on with the US and China, Trump, and the tariffs. If this continues to be a serious problem for the economics and where the stock market is headed, for everyone that is getting this impending doom feeling about this insane rally that we've had, this company right here, guys, I'm going to tell you a little funny story to reveal what this company is, guys, and why it's going to be so important. But growing up on a farm, I still come out to the country a lot, and I always bring a lot of friends down from the city. And when I'm driving out here, the one thing you don't see is a lot of fancy cars like Lamborghinis, for any of that. That stuff is really rare out here. But there's something you see that costs just as much, if not more, and that is a tractor. Tractors can cost anywhere up from $300,000 to $500,000. And I always say, look out in the field. That is what a Lamborghini is out here. Now, John Deere, a ticker symbol DE, guys, is going to be releasing earnings. And this company is so fundamentally structured with China that when they come out with their earnings, if China is putting a huge tariff on any basically U.S. companies that are basically working within China or selling their products within China, it's going to take a huge hit on their earnings. There's a couple other companies as well this week that are going to be doing the same thing, but I like using John Deere because it's such a fundamental thing for society. Tractors are used for everything to make food products. It's just a base in society. Systems work once these companies, or this company specifically, comes out with its earnings. If you don't know anything about John Deere, I'm just throwing a few clips up here for you guys to check out. Just read these real quick. They're just interesting facts about John Deere's ticker symbol. And this is a dividend stock, guys. This stock actually pays just under a 2% yield. I do not own this as a dividend holding, but maybe it's something you should look into. It is definitely a staple to society. It will be around for a long time. Just not an interesting yield for me, but it's been a very well growth stock and makes up one of the largest companies in the world as well, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick update. I wanted to throw this extra video just for you guys today, so slap a like on it. Consider subscribing if you're new, guys. Let me know if you have anything to add to this in the comment section below. I really truly believe if these companies do well, or at least meet expectations, that the stock market is just going to continue into its highs, but we'll be depicting where the future of the market goes, guys. So stay cool, stay awesome, enjoy the extra video, and I hope you enjoyed the extra video, and I will see you tomorrow.